People who supported you from day one, they made you who you are today. Now you've decided to turn your back at them. They are protesting over this, and you came out to say whatever you want to say, telling them what to do and what not to do. Are you the one to tell them the topic of their demonstration? Hey, this guy, the thing shocked me. It shocked me to my bone marrow. Because I do not understand. These same people that supported you, they made you who you are today. Without Ghanaians, your channel wouldn't have gotten to anywhere. And you have right to open your mouth and be blaming their TV station. That's why sometimes before you come out and say something, make sure you ask questions. Ask questions. You just came out and talk anyhow. Why? Because you are in support of this very Igbo king. You're in support of him. It's obvious. Obviously. Did you even come out and talk about the issue? You claim you love Ghanaians. Did you come out and talk about this very Igbo, this very fake Igbo king? I mean, they talk, say, if you love somebody, when they are mourning, you join them and mourn. When they are crying, you join them and cry. When they are happy, you join them and be happy, Abi. So what happened? Why? Why didn't you come out and support them? If you claim you love Ghanaians, you are the same people that are making Ghanaians look at every content creator as fake. You this guy. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Elfina and I'm super excited returning back to you. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. So today I'm taking you to Ama Ghana Observer. Yes, I'm taking you directly to her page, and according to the title of this very video we're about to check out, it says, lying dangerous Nigerian in Ghana tries to blame TV shows for crimes committed by his own countrymen, with an eye. Lulu. You know, I really trust this very woman. Like, whenever I see a video on our platform, I 100% believe, you know, that video. Yeah, I believe the video is legit. So you can go support her channel. This is her channel. This is her YouTube channel. Go and support her. Go and support her. Go and subscribe to her channel. Subscribe to her channel. She deserves all the accolade, all the praise. She deserves it because she was the one who was, you know, pondering on this fake Igbo king matter. She was sitting on it. Like gidigbagba. She stood on her ground and said, this man na 419 man. That's why the man have her name in his mouth. Whenever he's talking, he'll be like, I'm a Ghana, she started, blah, blah, blah. He just... So guys, before we get right into the video, let me give you a glimpse of what you should be expecting in this very video. I don't know if you guys know this guy. Is he Ashanti Barima or something? Yeah, I believe most of you know him a lot because you are the one who made him. Yeah, you Ghanaians who made him who he is today. But I don't know why he is now coming out to, you know, say some things that is not going in line with what the Ghanaian youth want or are working on. But then guys, in order not to waste much of your time, let's get right into the video, and at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's get right into it, and I will be right back.
Wow. Yesterday, the protests, I saw so many placards, different write-ups. People air their minds based on what is happening in the country, about the ritual of a thing and kidnapping and how people are missing. But there is something that I didn't see. There is one that was missing in those placards. I was watching very carefully to see if I can see that particular write-up, but I didn't see it. Because why they are doing this protest is because they say people are missing. There have been some ritual killings and every other. I think that when you want to tackle problem, you tackle all the problem at once. But for me, I was looking for a particular write-up, but I didn't see that particular write-up. And I believe that is the genesis of even this problem. That is the genesis of it. Those TV stations in Ghana here that is advertising money ritual. There are a lot of them. Lots of national TV stations here advertising money ritual. That is even attracting people from different countries to come for money ritual, to come and do money ritual in Ghana. That is even making some underage boys in Ghana here to involve in money ritual. You can see some cases where a teenager killed his friend, his fellow teenage friend, based on what he saw on the TV. There are lots of TV stations in Ghana here advertising fraud on the TV station. It didn't start today. It has been happening for many years, and those are the areas that contributed to everything that is happening.
Hi everyone, welcome to Ama Ghana Observer, and thanks so much for stopping by. So this conniving, slimy snake of a being who speaks with a forked tongue wants to equate the criminal tendencies of Nigerians. He has the nerve and the audacity to suggest, to even hint that the Nigerian criminals committing their crimes in Ghana began because of broadcasts on Ghanaian TV. The chutzpah of some of these people, it's beyond, it's mind-boggling. This guy is as fake as they come. But some of us see through his act, his pretense. Let's start off from the fact that Ghanaians, if they are committing the crimes, are on their own land. Unlike your fellow Nigerians who are on our land committing the crime.
Exactly.
That's the difference. So let's start from there. What this fork-tongued liar failed to tell you about those shows that air on TV is that based on Ghana's three main religions, which are Christianity, Islam, and traditional religion, the spiritualists were, got some leeway into being able to air their views on the airwaves. However, the National Communication Authority shut down a lot of these TV stations due to complaints from Ghanaians, as well as jailing one of the notorious ones, Agrada, recently for 15 years. So why? One might ask, is he bringing it up now to divert attention from the real concerns of Ghanaians regarding Nigerian criminality going on in Ghana? Is he equating that to the recent unaliving by his fellow Nigerians of a 33-year-old Ghanaian, where a pair of scissors was the weapon, where 10 thugs, including this gang leader, who was the son of the ungrateful Nigerian woman who had borrowed money from the Ghanaian man? You have some nerve and audacity and temerity to try and change the narrative. Or the 3 thugs who took a Ghanaian taxi driver to Aflao, unalived him and stole his car. And how about these 50 who were just arrested? So for you to try and divert attention from the crimes that your people are committing on Ghanaians tells us everything we need to know about you. But I don't blame you. I blame the gullible Ghanaians who actually believe your hypocritical lies. It's all fake, folks. This guy is as fake as they come. Because he's one of those people who is so in love with that 419 man who used to call himself king, who is so confused now that he doesn't know whether he's actually a leader or a chief. He's a staunch follower of that 419 man, a staunch supporter, till Ghanaians shut him down.
That he is.
And then he couldn't talk about it anymore, and he retreated. So all this demonstration, walk, and protest going on is not to his liking. So he just wanted to throw some type of red meat to the Nigerians, and this is the result. Because look at what he responded when one Ghanaian was asking him what right he had to dictate what Ghanaians should put on their placards. This is how he responded. Read other comments and check your own level of sense, Mr. Sense, which the Nigerians were going wild in the comment section. Rituals, Sakawa boys. So he had thrown the red meat to them for them to latch onto something other than the real issue at hand, which is calling out the atrocities going on in Ghana, committed by Nigerians. We have proof, not just allegations. If Ghanaians are committing crimes, it's on their own land. Which part of that don't you get? Exactly. We never said Ghanaians don't commit crime. I don't understand this notion that Nigerians think when we are talking, it means that Ghanaians don't commit crime. What we are saying is that we have enough on our hands, so we're not going to import Nigerian criminality into Ghana. Which part of that is too hard for you to get or comprehend? Because I know some of you have a comprehension problem. So this pretense, and I'm doing this video mainly because of this fake love they keep professing. And Ghanaians, we have to be discerning and vigilant. Because as I said, most of it is fake. It's not real. It's only to exploit and take advantage of. He does not like what's going on because his 419 man has been shut down and exposed. And he's so upset. And I'm wanting for him to come for me. In fact, I dare you to. Because this guy is an extremely rude guy. The way he has talked to some of his own fellow Nigerians, some of the females, calling them all kinds of names. I dare you to come. Like I dared your 419 man who used to call himself king. After he threatened to sue me and tried to curse me, as you can see, the curse went back on him, and he ended up not knowing what to call himself and having to bail himself out. I dare you to say Fifi. I dare you. Bring it on. Because everything I'm saying about you is true. You are fake and you are phony. And keep your fake praise to yourself. We Ghanaians don't need it. Don't pretend to like us. We don't need it. Very dangerous. And these are the type of people that we have to be careful. Because they stroke your ego. Say nice things about you, but inwardly,
they're killing you behind your back.
No one is asking you to fake praise Ghana. Just be real. The way we are protective and defensive of Ghana, do the same for Nigeria. But don't fake praise us when inwardly you don't really like us. That's all. You won't see me fake praising Nigeria because I couldn't care less. So no one is forcing you to. Just be yourself. Folks, I'm going to end it here. Thanks so much for watching. This is just a heads up that we should always be vigilant. We shouldn't be taken in by their ego-stroking words and, fake praise. Because then when you let down your guards, then they strike like serpents, So we always have to be cautious. Thank you also so much for your continued support. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
People who supported you from day one, they made you who you are today. Now you've decided to turn your back at them. They are protesting over this, and you came out to say whatever you want to say, telling them what to do and what not to do. Are you the one to tell them the topic of their demonstration? Hey, this guy, the thing shocked me. It shocked me to my bone marrow. Because I do not understand. These same people that supported you, they made you who you are today. Without Ghanaians, your channel wouldn't have gotten to anywhere. And you have right to open your mouth and be blaming their TV station. That's why sometimes before you come out and say something, make sure you ask questions. Ask questions. You just came out and talk anyhow. Why? Because you are in support of this very Igbo king. You're in support of him. It's obvious. Obviously. Did you even come out and talk about the issue? You claim you love Ghanaians. Did you come out and talk about this very fake Igbo king? I mean, they talk, say, if you love somebody, when they are mourning, you join them and mourn. When they are crying, you join them and cry. When they are happy, you join them and be happy, Abi. So what happened? Why? Why didn't you come out and support them? If you claim you love Ghanaians, you are the same people that are making Ghanaians look at every content creator as fake. You this guy. And what I'll tell Ghanaians right now, they should go and start unfriending this guy because he's not a true person. He doesn't love you guys. He doesn't love you guys. He's a fake person. He's a fake person. See wahala. Fake boy. You are even bearing Ashanti whatever, Ashanti Berima. Fake boy. I will not blame you. Now, they make people the things say that because of money, we they sit down here, they talk about things. We're not emotionally attached to what we say. But it's not everybody that is like that. It's not everybody that is like that. God will expose you one by one. You people, God will expose you one by one. I believe you are thinking this video you made is not going to give Ghanaians a different impression about you, right? You are thinking they are going to just take it like that and, Oh my God, guys. This is sad though. It's very sad because what's the meaning of this? Let me even tell you guys something. Well, I would not even blame him, but now because him be Igbo now. Him be Igbo, so this is not new. He's showing their true color. This is how they are. When people support them, they will later stab those people behind their back. That's exactly who they are. You've shown yourself to the whole world. You've opened your yansh. Yeah, it's wide open like this. Everybody have seen it. What I will tell Ghanaians is to go to his channel and start unfriending, unfollowing him. Look at this boy. You cannot come and stop us from shining. You cannot stop us from shining. Never. We wouldn't allow that to happen. Guys, everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.